It's getting a little dark. We're having pancakes, eggs, and bacon. We got the bacon done, working on the pancake. Look at that, dinner's looking good. It's getting a little late, it's getting a little dark, but I am hungry.
Go.
Hello everyone, thanks for watching. I am here at this beautiful log cabin with the beautiful horses, lots of acreage. We're just hanging out for the day. And no, I'm not in Kansas anymore. That was our last trip. I'll post that video and you could watch that as well. But this evening we have pancakes, we have eggs, and we have bacon for dinner. We've already had s'mores and hot dogs all day today. And I just want to say my channel is to let all of you know that, you know what, it's good to just go out and do things. And sometimes it's really inexpensive. It costs very little. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you enjoy the content, if you enjoy the videos, please subscribe, message me anything that you would like me to do videos on camping, traveling, and I'll see what I can do. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.